Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to restore Nagios XI from a backup. This will be a quick one, so let's get started. So to restore from a backup, the first thing we're going to need to do is navigate to where our backups are. So we can go into the search function at the top right, and we're going to look at local backup archives. You'll notice that there's one backup in here from a handful of days ago, and this is the backup we're going to restore to. So to restore from that backup, we're going to need to actually access this machine from the command line. I've accessed it right here. This is the current XI machine that we just looked at. And in order to do this, it's a very simple process. All we have to do is execute a restore XI script, and it can be found in this directory here. So it's going to be underneath user local and Nagios XI, underneath the scripts directory. And among all these scripts here, we're going to see right here, restoreXI.sh. Now to execute the script, all we have to do is do user local Nagios XI scripts. There we go, sorry, scripts. And the restore XI. And then we just need to follow it by the path of where our backup is. By default, it is in the /store, backups, Nagios XI, and then the name of the tarball. We can go back to the web UI here to look at it. Looks like it's 1.7, and it should be the only tarball that I have in this backups location. So we'll put in 1.7 and just hit tab. There's the tarball. All we have to do is just hit enter and wait for the script to finish running, and the restoration will be performed. As you can see, our restoration is complete. Now before we sign off, I want to note that it is worth mentioning that this restoration process will vary depending on the size of your environment. Mine is relatively small. There's only about 4 hosts within my XI instance. If you have an XI instance with hundreds of hosts, maybe even thousands, this restoration process could take quite some time. And that concludes today's video, folks. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please visit support.nagios.com for some more additional documentation. Also, be sure to stop by the YouTube channel for more great content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.